Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Odyssey low beam bulb. First, gather your essential tools: a new H11 bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and some protective gloves. It is crucial to ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine is cool to the touch before you begin. Then, locate the low beam bulb housing, which is typically found behind the headlight assembly. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Now let's gain access to the bulb. To create enough working space, turn your steering wheel fully to either the left or right, depending on which side you are working on. Next, carefully remove the fender liner clips using a flathead screwdriver or a dedicated trim removal tool. There are usually several clips to detach. Once the clips are out, gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the headlight assembly and the bulb housing. With the housing exposed, it is time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing the small tab and gently pulling it straight off. Next, grasp the old bulb and rotate it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. It should then pull straight out. Now, carefully insert your new H11 bulb into the socket, ensuring the tabs align, and twist it clockwise until it securely locks into place. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Finally, let's put everything back together and test your work. Reconnect the electrical connector to your newly installed low beam bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully reposition the fender liner back into its original position, making sure all edges are aligned. Then, reinsert and secure all the clips you removed earlier. Once everything is reassembled, turn on your vehicle and test the new low beam bulb to confirm it is working properly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.